New challenge. All I need. Fat one. Find. Where do you have Filipino? Guys, go find that.
Follow you.
Ham and sausage. Okay. Oh, see? Hi everyone, this is Sean P. Today, I'm going to take on a new challenge and make Korean food using only ingredients I can find at a local market here in Manila, Philippines. No Korean specialty shops, just the usual items you can get in a regular Filipino market. Do you think I can make it work? Let's head to the market and find out. This is Kartima Market. Wow. I'm inside the Kartima Market. And look around. Fresh ingredients all around. We've got lots of fresh vegetables, meat, and fish all around here. Let's see what I can find to create a delicious Korean cuisine. 대파랑 그렇게 재서
81 kilos.
80 per kilo?
Yes.
They have onion. I need a cabbage. This seems to be the smallest. Although it might be too much for me, I'm just gonna go with this one. How many do we need? 3 tomatoes. Okay. So all I need? How about chili? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. Garlic. How about this one? Maybe red chili as well. How do I pay? Cashier. Yeah. So this seems to be a fair pricing, even for foreigners.
130, sir.
130. Wow, 130. 130. That is so cheap. Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
How much is a mango?
161 kilo.
I'm getting mango for you, Jin. 50, 60, 160, right? Yeah. I got my veggies and mango. Now it's time for meat. So I'm gonna get some beef cuts. This is very vibrant local vibe here, right? It's pretty early in the morning, even before 8 a.m. Yeah, do you have some beef?
Beef, yeah. How many?
What part is it?
This one here.
Oh, fatty one? Fat one. Yeah, fat. Too much. I just need only a small piece. Only a small piece.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
What for?
Can I have only this piece? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
76.
76.
76, okay. 76.
You need chop? Like this?
Uh-huh.
And then?
Yeah. Thank you.
Japanese? Korean?
Korean.
Korean.
Yeah. Every day.
Hello. Are you a blogger? How many subscribers? 1 million after a year.
Yeah. Hopefully. Okay.
Okay. 25.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The piece I just got cost me only 75 peso. So cheap, right? That's what you can enjoy at this local market. A variety of items you can get at a very affordable prices. I'll have to buy additional ingredients that are only available in this grocery, not at the local market. I'm gonna go get some extra ingredients. Let's go in. So I need to get some local chili sauce. I need to find a chili paste that is pretty thick, that is just like gochujang. Let's see. Oh, it's not thick, it's watery. Chili sweet sauce, sweet chili. Where do you have coconut milk sauce?
Cocoa milk.
Yeah. Here. Okay, thank you. Fresh coconut. Coconut milk powder. Here at local grocery, I bought coconut milk powder, local chili paste, pork broth powder, longanisa, sausage, sliced cheese, and ham as well. So let's see how I can pull off a magic. Let's go. Now that I've got our ingredients, let's start cooking. I'm gonna make a simple dish that's popular in Korea, which is 부대찌개. My wife is gonna prep all the ingredients. Come join me, Ji. So these are the ingredients that we're gonna start cooking with. Let's see all these ingredients come together and become a great Korean dish. 부대찌개. Let's go. Peeling onions, which is one of my wife's favorite activities. Peeling off cabbage. She's draining the blood like this to remove the gamey odor from the meat. Wow, this local sausage is much thicker than Korean sausage that we are used to. She's making a cut into the sausage so that juicy taste of the sausage can get permeated in the soup. So I'm gonna make a key ingredient of the budae-jjigae, which is the sauce. So I have to be very creative, given that I don't have gochujang paste. I'm gonna have to play with different ingredients to make a sauce. Soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, coconut cooking oil, coconut powder, and a little bit of pepper. And let's see how it tastes. Balance the spices. I put some more buttermilk powder. It's milky, spicy, and salty. Sauce still needs a sweet taste to it. I forgot to buy a sugar in the market. So as an alternative, I'm gonna use a mango. This is a quick remedy. Let's see if we can pull this off by using mango as an alternative to sugar. It seems to be working. So another mango is going in. Much better because of the sweetness. So I'm gonna dump in the pork roast powder, all of G3 all together. Given the amount of water, it looks like a butter, right? Like a chocolate butter. Roast seems to be well prepared. Okay. I put cabbages underneath and then put some onions and tomatoes. Onions usually add some sweetness to food. It will sweeten the broth. And finally, putting some sausage and ham on the top. Jean claimed that she's better at decorating. This is what she... So this is... I'm not sure. This is her best shot. Yeah, it looks beautiful. And finally, the beef cut goes into the middle. Then I'm putting pre-made broth, putting the pre-made sauce. For now, we're gonna have to wait. Jean's micromanaging. All you husbands out there, you feel my pain. I'm being micromanaged all the time. I guess that's the destiny of a husband. How the soup is going? Oh, that's pretty good. As the meatiness from the ham, sausage, and beef is gonna come out and gets permeated in the soup, it's gonna taste better. To make it more creamy, I'm gonna add some sliced cheese. I'm tailoring this food to Manila locals. Instant noodles and green onions. More cheese on the top to make it more creamy. Almost done. It's finally done. We're gonna go down and ask the Manila locals to get their feedback. How they like it, let's go find out. Guys, check this out. I wonder how Manila locals will react to this Korean food made of their day-to-day local ingredients. I'm very curious. Let's go find out. 자, 찍어볼게요. 자, hello. We cook some Korean food. And do you think you can taste it and give us some feedback? Yeah. You want some taste Korean food? It's called budae-jjigae. And it's made of local ingredients like longanisa, like sausage and ham.
Sausage in half?
And vegetables. You want to taste some?
Just for free?
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. Taste them and give us some feedback. It's like a longanisa, sausage and ham, vegetables, the chili paste. Huh? We'll show you.
We
follow you.
Huh?
Yummy.
Yummy? Yeah?
Can I have?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, you can have the whole thing. Yeah, whole thing. Huh? Yeah.
Sarap.
Huh? Huh?
Pwede naman yun.
Yeah. Have some. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Hindi nga.
Yeah.
Uy.
Yeah. Taste some. And there's noodle, ham and sausage.
Sarap mga mga. It's delicious, sir.
Delicious? Huh?
It's perfect.
You cook, sir?
You?
Yeah. I cooked it.
Noodles now.
Yeah, noodle. Yeah. Ham, sausage.
Sausage.
Yeah.
Ganyan sa pangalan.
Yeah, tomato, and chili paste.
And then have egg.
No egg.
No
Ano
egg.
to?
Yeah, I put some mango as well. Mango.
Ramen.
Yeah, and coconut milk. No, Korean. This is a Korean food, but I made it with all local ingredients.
This how? Seafood seasoning.
Oh, seafood? No seafood.
Perfect, sir.
Mm.
Delicious.
Delicious?
Yes.
We're not selling it. As you enjoy, we're gonna talk to some locals over there too. Hi, you Filipino?
Yeah.
Can you try this food? This is Korean food made of all Filipino local ingredients. Can you try and give us a feedback? It's like a longanisa sausage and then ham and instant noodle. It's actually Korean food, but all the ingredients are local. It's called 부대찌개. 부대찌개. Yeah, longanisa, instant noodle, and I also put some coconut milk powder and chili paste. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Medium spice, and cheesy. It's like all flavors in this.
Yeah, it's pretty new to you.
Yeah, it's salty but cheesy at the same time.
Very milky.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's for you.
Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you.
Okay. Locals seem to like it. Yeah, kimchi, tofu, they're all Korean ingredients, but it's like a cheat kit for us. We didn't want to use any Korean ingredients. Yeah. My wife, Jin. Yeah. Very rewarding. We had all constraints. We put in like 2 hours to cook this food. You want to taste some Korean food? Yeah, one left. Yeah. Okay. My page.
Spicy sweet.
Beef. Since I didn't have any sugar, put mango instead.
Mango.
Yeah.
Mango.
Yeah. To sweeten the soup. Oh, silly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we bought all these ingredients from Fatima Market. Yeah. Yeah.
This one is for you.
Yeah. Oh, we're not selling it. We just made it upstairs. Yeah, I cooked it. Yeah. Yeah.
They're asking Filipino locals to taste it. They're asking where we can buy this.
Oh, if many locals like it, we may make it as a product in the future. Guys, check out this. It's all empty. We shared a dish we made with Manila locals. I'm grateful that everyone enjoyed it. It was our first time trying something like this, and it was a pleasure to connect with the locals. It was fun. So my Manila travel has been more fruitful and more rewarding and fun because of Manila locals' warm greetings. Pleasant experience.